Hello again. Happy New Year, you guys. This is literally the third time I am attempting to film this video, and I hope it is the last. Welcome back to my channel. This video wasn't supposed to start like this. Sorry if it's echoey, but welcome to my empty Lagos apartment, you guys. Whew. Let me start again. Okay, we're back. Welcome to my empty Lagos apartment, you guys. I don't know how to start, or I don't even know where to start from. I've been looking for an apartment for a really long time, probably 4 months now. And in case you guys don't know, yeah, let's start from there. Hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I was going to say Port Harcourt, Nigeria, but I mean we are now based in Lagos. And this is my MC Lagos apartment tour. Welcome, welcome. Make yourself feel comfortable, subscribe, and all of that good thing. This is going to be my first official video on YouTube in the year 2023. I thought I was going to like really be settled in Lagos at this time due to my projection, but apparently life happens, you know. But first of all, again, welcome to my Lagos apartment. God, I'm all over the place because I haven't shot a video in a while. I had to charge my battery last night because when I tried to film this video initially, my battery was dead, which reminded me that the last time I charged my battery was in December, but I know that's not why we're here. So yes, I've been living in Port Harcourt for, let me see, 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So I lived in Port Harcourt for 8 years, and it was time for me to zoom off. And I've always known I was going to come back to Lagos because, again, I've lived in Lagos most of my life. I've always known I was going to come back to Lagos. I wasn't sure when, but I started content creation and all this other stuff, and I'm like, okay, yeah, I have to come back home to Lagos and all of that. So that's why I'm here. Getting this apartment was not the easiest. Lagos agents were trying to send me back to PH. At some point, I actually considered going back to PH or staying back in PH, but I just knew why I wanted to come back to Lagos. I knew why I needed to be in Lagos, and I just had to persevere and like, just try harder. And I'm really glad that I tried harder and I got this apartment. It was not the easiest, like I said. I've been looking for an apartment for about 4 months, let's say three-ish months, because like I started online, not serious. But when I came back home for December, like Christmas and 30 December, so while I was doing 30 December, I was also actively looking for apartments. And the funny thing was, this building, this compound, was the first apartment ever that any agent showed me. Like they just showed me online, and I was like, oh, I don't like it because this isn't that, this isn't this. I thought I had plenty options, but when I really got into the market, I'm like, was good. So my agent came back to me. No, I went back to her. I'm like, what's up? And she's like, Daniel, just check his apartment, like physically. If you don't like it, no wahala. So we got to this compound. I came here. Also, in case you guys did not know, I was looking for a two-bedroom apartment. I know I haven't said that, but let me say it again. I was looking for a two-bedroom apartment. So they came here. They showed me the apartment, like in this other apartment in this building, and like, or in this compound. And I did not like it because I had criteria for days, and apparently, which I think most people already know, once you're a content creator and you're looking at specific needs or specific requirements to be met, the more money you are going to pay. So, it was a lot, and they showed me the apartment. I said I didn't like it, and they were like, okay, there's another one in this building. It's more expensive than what you're looking for because it's also a three-bedroom apartment. I'm like, let me see. And then they showed me this one. I'm like, that's what I want. Okay. Getting it was not like saying or indicating interest was one thing. There was like another process that took a really long time before I could now officially like even make payment and all of that other stuff. So that is there. But let me just give you guys like a run through of what I was looking for in an apartment. So I wanted a new building. I didn't want any house that somebody had lived in before, just because preference. I wanted, location-wise, I know for a fact that I hit a jackpot. Even my friends say that I hit a jackpot when it comes to location. I wanted a good location. Because it's on the island, I also was very specific about the quality of the water. Because if you don't know, water on the island is... So I wanted that. What else did I even want? Like, security was non-negotiable. Natural lighting, non-negotiable. This video is really short. It's just natural light coming from this window here, and the door is open. Like, yeah, I just had like specific things that I really was looking for, like non-negotiables, and those were my non-negotiables, right? And I think I really did hit the mark. Okay, yeah, I also was particular about electricity. which to be fair, we actually do have electricity here. Also, let me state that this is an empty apartment-ish because I have been living here for maybe 48 hours now. I got back from Port Harcourt about 48 hours ago, and I just came from Port Harcourt down here because my stuff from Port Harcourt also came the same day I came. They kind of waited for me because my flight was delayed and blah blah blah. But that was not the tea. Yeah, so I kind of have arranged the kitchen especially, but every other thing has not been arranged or have not been arranged. Also, I'm sorry if you can hear noise. I'm now one of those people. There's a construction going on here. There's a construction going on here, and there's a construction going on here. But this one around today, so I'm sorry if you can hear noise and all of that. But that is that, I think. Let me see. Let me be sure because I actually made like a notes just so I don't miss anything because again, it's been a while since I shot video or since I shot a video. I think I've actually hit everything that I need to say in this particular business. So let me just give you guys a quick rundown, a quick tour of my empty Lagos apartment. This is the main door. Obviously, I can't show you guys outside, but this is what it looks like. This is the living room area, which is quite spacious. I think it's almost the same thing as my Port Harcourt apartment, especially with the floors and all of that. Yeah, really nice if I'd say they have POP and all this other kind of fancy things. So to the right, you have a visitor's toilet. Is there? Okay, I wasn't sure if there was this thing here. Never mind. So this is the visitor's toilet that I intend to convert to a washroom because there is no space for a washing machine. Right. So from there, let's go here. Like I said, I already have some of my stuff in the house because I came directly from PH. These are all my filming equipments, my photography boards and all of that. This is the first room. And yeah, I think one thing I love about this space, again, natural light, but the breeze that usually blow here, like that window was open before now and the breeze just blew. So anyways, this is the first room. This is what we have. I was charging my battery. Let me close that cupboard because all my stuff are just thrown inside that space. But it came with these very, very massive wardrobes that I don't know what to do with them because I don't need them. But this is the first room. As you guys can see, pretty much Muslim called same thing. Let me reduce the ISO so that we don't suffer exposure issues. Yep. And then this is the bathroom that it comes with. Oh god, don't tell me I have to increase my ISO again, but yeah, so this is this thing it comes with. Let me increase it a bit so you guys can see. So yeah, regular what's it called, water heater and some other stuff. Yeah, because it's a new apartment, nobody had lived here before. There are some things that they would have to change in the apartment because I'm also taking notes of these things as I live here. So with that, this is the dining area. This is my dining table from Port Harcourt and some other stuff on it, my television and some other stuff that I'm yet to unwrap because I want some stuff to be there first. First room, you guys, the lights, man, it's the lights for me. It's the lights for me. Like, can you guys see this? Now, I'm not sure if this is going to be my studio, but this is the first room. Very big, very bright. I actually repainted this walls. The house was actually painted before I moved in, but I had to paint them again because extra. And yeah. Then this is the bathroom of the first room. Like I said, some things still need to be fixed. I already told them and they are going to fix them while I'm here. Regular shower and all this other things. Toilets. I also wanted an apartment that had separate toilets and bathroom. So I was also very specific about that, and I'm glad that this one comes with that's the first room, or second room actually, and then this is the third room, which is basically similar to the other one. Yeah, like same size, same everything. As you guys can see, same size, same everything. There's nothing too what's it called? different. And then this is the bathroom. Like I said, already living here. So those are my skincare products that I'm currently using, I think. So from there, I think I have to increase my ISO now, just a bit. Okay. From there we come to the kitchen. Okay, I think ISO is good. So this is what the kitchen looks like. It is your pretty much standard kitchen, nothing too fancy going on. That's my fridge, some stuff that I'm here to find a place for them. My cooker, I just got this. I don't like it, but I just have to deal with it right now, or use it right now until I can afford another one. And yeah, just random things here. There's a balcony situation outside, but I can't open it because obviously privacy, and also I just dumped a whole lot of stuff there. My cabinets, I want to open them for you guys, but I don't even know what is inside what at this point. See, it's even dark, so I don't think that's necessary, but it's pretty much a regular cabinet and there is nothing new. Okay, maybe apart from the new kitchen equipment that I just unboxed yesterday. Yeah, just your regular standard things. Sink, the things I'm eating because I am yet to start cooking. I still haven't bought gas. My fridge, I actually just plugged the fridge because I got something and I don't want it to spoil. Okay, so you guys, that is it. That is my empty Lagos apartment door. Nothing too serious, nothing too detailed like that. I just realized I didn't even tell you guys what I was going to do with each part of the house. Yes, because I'm still trying to figure all of that out. But we are going to find a way around it. I know, like, it's your classic things. Like, if you know me, you kind of already have an idea of what I'm going to do with the space. I'm not sure which of these rooms is going to be my kitchen studio because I'm going to have one. And I actually talked to my landlord this morning if I could break the wall because part of my agreement says I can't break the wall to what's it called, put certain things. But I'm not breaking per se, like just to create a hole for pipe to pass through. And I met my landlord this morning. He said yes, I can do that. I just have to ensure that when I'm leaving the apartment, I'm going to fix it, which is normal, which I'm already going to do. So I'm really glad. I'm really grateful that it doesn't, like, my landlord doesn't seem like a very tough person to deal with because I just had to explain what I do and why I want to do that to his space, and he's like, oh yeah, no problem, just gets me a note showing that you're going to fix it when you're done, which I don't have a problem with. I can fix it. So I'm not sure which of the rooms is going to be mine and which one is going to be the kitchen studio. I already have a carpenter coming here. Oh, yeah, the carpenter came here yesterday. I'm working with about 4 different carpenters. I can't lie with you for you guys because, see, I do not want anybody to delay me in this period. So 2 carpenters already been here. The third one is the carpenter that works for my parents because, again, if you don't know, my parents live in Lagos. So I'm going to my family house later this week. It's already Thursday, right? So sometime soon, maybe, I don't know, sometime soon, I'm going to go to my family house and get some stuff done because I also need to bring washing machine from my family house down here because I don't have anyone here and they have a spare one in their house. And yeah, carpenter, I have another carpenter coming. They're installing the ACs in about 2 hours from now. One here, another one there. What else am I supposed to do? Generators. Oh yes, also this is not a service apartment by any means. I tried, I wanted it, but honestly I cannot afford it right now. Some of the apartment that they showed me, they had service charge, and when I asked what the service charge was and all of that, I just had to be honest with myself. I cannot afford an apartment with a service charge. With service charge, at least the service charge that people were calling for me, I don't feel afford them. So I have to get like a generator. I also, there's just random things here just to make my life a little bit seamless. Let me also state that I think one of the reasons that I'm a little bit comfortable doing the stuff I am doing now is because back in Port Harcourt, I had quite a number of stuff already. So I did not. Sorry, why is my face? Okay, I feel like my face is out of focus. I already have like a handful of stuff in Port Harcourt before moving in here, so I'm not really buying a lot of new things. And some of the things that were in my old apartment, I sold them to buy them here, like my furniture. Where's furniture? My furniture and all these other things. Yeah, I'm still not sure about the dining table. I think it might go. Let me not lie to you guys. It will go. It will go. But I pretty much sorted. I think I pretty much sorted this yesterday with the carpenter. I'm supposed to make payment today, which I think I should do that now. But I pretty much sorted this out part. I sorted this part. My studio is not sorted out yet because plenty jaga jaga. My bedroom is not sorted out yet, but I think I'll do that by the weekend. But I'll keep you guys updated. I'll take you guys through this journey. And if you're not hooked to my vlogs, it's time to get hooked to my vlogs because all the details when it comes to moving in this house or living in this house is good. They're just going to be the vlogs because I'm creating more vlogs now. I mean, I live in Lagos, so I should create vlogs. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys to the moon and back. Thank you guys for all you've done for me. Thank you for your support and all of that. I'm really grateful. So by the time you guys see this vlog, it means I'm actually ready, or this post, it means that I'm actually ready or getting ready to come back on social media and actively start creating content. And I cannot wait for that. So see you guys again. Please, if you're not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button, click on the share button, click on the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post videos. And see you.